So, hello guys, good morning. Ang aking breakfast for today guys. Ayan, may orange tayo, may apple at carrots guys. Kakainin lang natin yan. Tapos, bago ko yan kakainin, ito muna uunahin ko ang aking cornflakes. Yan guys, ayan. Cocoa Crunch, 34 release. So, may vitamin, hanggang ano siya guys, vitamin 10. Yan, lagyan natin milk yan mamaya. Pero, sarap. Wala pang milk. So, duty tayo ng 12 hours every day or 14 hours din. Ayan, kaya mag-vitamins, maraming vitamins mo nang kakainin natin. Para may lakas tayo guys. Every day 12 to 14 hours ang duty ni Mommy. So okay guys, thank you for watching.